Oh boy, it feels good to be home.
I'm the best product out right now. I am the best, period. I am Apple.
You said what, Apple?
I got the best designed phone. Some even argue I have the best camera design or the best camera quality.
Bro, I'm gonna need you to chill. You're doing way too much right now coming at your body.
I have the best screen display for an LCD. I am the best. This is the best iPhone ever created. Every year.
Now, bro, you know that's a lie. Don't have me flame your ass. Chill out before it really get real in here. Just chill.
Who wants a stylish with their phone? Nobody wants to use that. That's pointless. That's crazy. I innovate. I took away the headphone jack.
Boy, if you don't get your, I'm charging $1,100 for a phone, but it could still come with 64 gigabytes of base storage. Face ass the hell out of here. Boy, if you get your own charging $1,100 for a phone or $1,000 for a phone, and the fast charger don't even come in a box. Face ass the hell out of here. Boy, if you don't get your, I might put in a dongle in a box some more because I want everybody to sit there and get the AirPods, but I'm not gonna put them in a box. Face ass out of here. Boy, if you don't get your, I'm running out of names to call my phone, so I'm gonna call it a long ass name like iPhone SX Max. Face ass the hell out of here. Boy, if you don't get this camera be so innovative, but they still ain't been better than an Android camera, I don't know how long. Face ass the hell out of here. Boy, if you don't get them whack ass fans you got who sit there and complain about the name more than y'all do, it's not called an iPhone X, it's called the iPhone 10. I don't care. Face ass the hell out of here. Boy, if you don't get your own charger $500 for the same design Apple Watch that I've been using for the same 4 years. Face ass the hell out of here. Boy, if you don't get your, I'm still using Apple headphones in a box and they garbage as hell. Face ass the hell out of here. Boy, if you don't get your, I'm gonna discontinue the iPhone X because the iPhone XS is too similar in design. Face ass the hell out of here. Boy, if you don't get your petty, I'm just gonna sit there and do the 64 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, and 512 gigabytes instead of getting them 128 gigabytes for the base storage. Face ass the hell out of here. Boy, if you don't get your, I've been having the same static icon grill. Face ass the hell out of here. Boy, if you don't get your, this the most durable glass ever. My phone broke after this falling on the tile from 2 feet. Lying ass the hell out of here. Boy, if you don't get your, I'm gonna remove the headphone jack, but really ain't did shit else with the technology since I removed the headphone jack. Face ass the hell out of here. Boy, if you don't get your, it's been this long and I got all this power on my phone, but I still can't do split screen on this motherfucker. Face ass the hell out of here. Boy, get your, I don't know how to innovate with big screen displays, so I'm just gonna make a bigger iPhone 10 and call it the iPhone XS Max because I can't do nothing else with it. Face ass the hell out of here. Boy, would you just go ahead and hurry up and copy the S Pen and get like an Apple Pencil equivalent to the S Pen so we can actually have some real competition to the Galaxy Note 9. Face ass the hell out of here. And finally, if you don't get that 512 gigabytes, $1,500 for a phone, face ass the hell out of here. When the Galaxy Note 9 only $1,250, you can go ahead and get you an SD card with 512 gigabytes anyway for the low. Face ass the hell out of here. I just had to flame Apple ass one time for the one time, man. That's all the stuff I don't like about the iPhone, or just Apple period, man. But I got the Apple Watch and the iPhone 10 on reserve. Make sure you come to my channel and check it out for the reviews. Make sure you subscribe, all that good stuff, man. I just want to have fun with this video. It's your boy Sean, be nice and I'm out. Deuces.